Bruce done. We're ready to go get our camper? You ready to get out there and explore? Let's go get it. Alright, so we finally got camp set up. It took us a little bit to get everything together, but it wasn't too bad. We've got our Predator solar panel kit set up. It's pumping out about 23 volts, and our controller is putting 14.4 into our battery, so it's doing great on power. We've got our Vivor diesel heater hooked up, and I'll do a little thing on that later on and show you guys how that works, and it's actually really cool. Probably one of the best pieces of kit I've bought. Nice little fire pit, which I'm not sure if I'll have a fire or not. I didn't bring any wood with me. Got my RC, can't forget that. We're all set up in here. Bruce is already enjoying the view. What do you think, buddy? So yeah, that's camp. I'm gonna get the kayaks off the rover later. Pretty easy water access over here. The water's super clear. Oh, did you decide to join us? And then later, let's see, there it is. I'm going to try and make it to that island right there. But for now, I think we got some relaxing to do. Come on, buddy. Come on in here. Good boy. Yeah. Can you turn around? Need to get turned around? Here, let me help you. Here you go. All right. Let's go check out this island. To the island. There's camp way over there. Let's see if there's a safe way up here. There's so much mesquite and cactus up there, I don't think it's going to happen. Yep, ain't no way up there, Bruce. Ain't no way. What do you say, Bruce? You ready to get back in the kayak and paddle around? Well, we went and checked out the island back there. We're making our way back to camp. Bruce is enjoying the ride. Let's get docked here. All right. Yay, we made it. starting to cloud up, get a little windy. The temperature's starting to drop a little bit. So I just kicked on this diesel heater. I figured I'd show you guys this thing real quick. So it runs off, this one is the older model, it runs off 12 volt. So I got it hooked up to the battery. I don't know if you can hear it running. And got it piped into the side of the trailer here, which is some aluminum dryer vent. But this thing's badass. I can heat my tiny home with it really easy. Got a little control panel on it, which I didn't set the time on it, so don't mind that. But yeah, I love that thing. If you guys haven't got one, you need to. Solar keeping everything charged up. And it just comes in right there. Keeps it nice and warm in here. Ready to go out, Bruce? Morning, everybody. The geese are going nuts out here. Let's go see what's going on. They're all out on the island. What a great spot to wake up. I think it's time for some coffee. So we're gonna have us some happy coffee this morning. It was thoughtfully sourced and expertly blended. The stuff's actually pretty good, and it's a company that partnered up with, what is that, NAMI, a mental health organization. Give a little info there. Yeah, that's pretty good stuff. And naturally, I'd spill it everywhere. The water boiling. Awfully noisy. What do you think, Bruce? I got a coffee mess to clean up. Watch out. Alright, let's go catch some fish. Or at least try to. I'm going fishing, Bruce. There's a nice spot over here that I can stand on the rock and cast off of. I think the water is probably a little cold. Let's go over to the other point. Soaking up the sun, Bruce. There we go. Oh, I got a snag. Definitely hooked on that one. Well, here's one way to get a snag back. I ain't losing this lure. And there it is. Piece of cake. Let's go back. You wanna go fishing? I would say if I was to catch a fish, right out here would be where I'd be. You ain't gonna catch that duck. Yeah, it's a little deeper than you thought, huh? Come on.